Good afternoon, or good afternoon, or good evening. We are, and today is February 12th, 2024, and it's Monday, the first trading day of this week, and we're gonna do the end of day review for today. And look at the economic calendar, right? We see that today is Monday, and tomorrow we have a high impact news, the CPI news, come out tomorrow at 8:30. So we're gonna try to record that first, 15-30 minutes to see how the market react. But today, I think it caught off, it get us, caught off guard today because the market moved very surprising today, right? By the way, we are in week 7 of the trading year 2024. So a week we have 52. A year we have 52 weeks, and we still have a lot of earning this week. 3,431. And also this week we have a CBOE's option expiration. So very interesting. A lot of new, right? The CPI and option expiration happening this week. So we expect high, volatility, right? Or expect the market to be volatile. And it did. And this morning, kind of surprise, right? We look at the volume pre-market today, very low. But however, when it start around 10:15, we don't know how to make of this 10:15, right? If we look at here, we see what? Basically, we see look, if you look here at a breakout level, and look at that right here. Wow, we should detect this. But anyway, you see the giant move right here, right? Especially the last candle at 11:30. It's like 55 cents or 60, right? Yeah, 60. Hello. Yeah, 61 cents. Just 5 minutes. That's amazing. But let's see, what is this one? $2.47. And if we look back at the recording we did earlier in the day, of the day, you can see that that's really from nowhere. We make some, commentaries that it's strange. It's like we don't know. We try to search for the reason. We read some news, but we don't see any. It looks like some kind of algo, run and set up the sell liquidity, and then boom, it ripped. Exactly what happened. But now in the hand side, right? In the hand side, we want to look back to see how we make this move. That's an amazing move right here. So basically the move is start right around here, right? So we have this level. Well, we can treat this level at a breakout level right there. You see, it's breakout that level, keep the heel gap and retest. So it should be a big signal for it to go long. Right, as soon as we see the level, And this level, if we get it from 1 hour time frame breakout right there, we should label with X1. I just say breakout X1. Okay. Yeah, just right here. That's the breakout level we annotate the chart right there, and that's where it come from. When we look a 5-minute time frame, this is the level. So basically, this gonna be a real breakout. So yeah, we can draw right here also, but very close to this, right? 04, 08 right there. This is for breakout. But how do we, you see the level right there, the breakout, and you see the huge gap in that level, so it jump and retest levels. How do we frame our trade idea right here? So this definitely is a retest. Well, if we draw a level right here, we can see that it's close here. A very interesting level. Right here we have a lot of we have two ideas, right? We can use the 1 hour time frame of the level, so we can put a buy stop right here when it open above, and buy stop right here. So we know that the gap right there is gonna fill that gap and go up. Yeah, beautiful. And if you look right here, if you mark this level, right, it's clearly a fall breakout level at this level. You see a big Dow close, and then you have a doji rejection. Boom. It break through that level with a huge gap right there, and it retests that gap right there, and then it jump right here. So there are two ways we can trade. We can trade you based on the 1 hour time frame, or just 5-minute time frame right here. We still have that level right there. Here we have retest. Yeah, remember the retest, it will not touch this level, so the very bullish right there. It touches the parallel gap right here. Yep. So how do we word it right here? What verbiage we're gonna use for this? It's parallel gap, retest, right? It's parallel gap. Oh, I see, parallel gap. Upside, retest that parallel gap. It's already filled them and retest them. I think we go with the 1 hour time frame. Right, it looked like on the fall break, you're gonna break down the level, but actually it's not. Yeah, it looked like break down the level, but it's not. So let's do this. So hold on, and if we go in right here, then what will be, yeah, so we go in that level, then our stop loss is at this low. $0.24, and our target gonna be right at this point. We haven't seen the DR model form, so our target gonna be, let's say, one standard deviation, or we can trail the stop loss for that matter, 24. So 72. Wow, 72. 1 to 3 risk reward ratio right there. So let's go with this setup. So we have something to play with trade area. We either entry right here, that's a perfect entry, or the way we can entry right here. When it open up above and then it retouch, yeah, not lit level, then perfect entry right here. Or we can early entry here, but a perfect right here. I mean, in the hand side, it's much easier said than done. We accept that. So we call this a real breakout. Yeah, it's a real breakout. I think we call this a real breakout. We're not gonna call it full breakout, right? Because it's still right, still up move right there. Right, so it's a real breakout, not a full breakout. So how do we see this a real breakout? So it's, yeah, we see the jump here, we see the jump right there, right, and also we see this level, we see the huge gap break through that level. So that's the idea of real breakout. So this trade will be a real breakout. It's 11. No, it's 10. And risk reward also is 1 to 3. Right. If we trail the stop loss, and that will be, you know, huge right there, but at least we have let's do another scenario, right? If we let it run up here, yeah, with $2.41, so about 1 to 10 right there. If we can say stay in the trade as long. $11.30. So it's 1 hour 15 minutes duration. So, yep, 1 to 10. And entry level is a buy stop at 501, 08, and it's X1 level right there, 1 hour time frame right there. And right here we see, you know, here further from when it's breaking the PO level. That's what we talk right here. Here breakout level, and this one is just a retest right there. So give us your very bullish signal right there. And we see the doji form right here, right? This is a full breakout to the downside. Give very strong. You have order block plus doji. And rejection. All of that tell us is a bullet. So candle at 10:15. It's just retesting the PO level as it before can go up. Here we have right here, right? And here we have right here. Yeah, so it's much better explanation right now. Right, you can see the picture now. Much better. So we can take the long trade right here. We only reach 24 cents, but at least we get 1 to 3. But if you're less, you run. You can less, 1 to 10 right there. And trade is about probability risk reward ratio. Or another way is sizing, right? How you size your trade. That's where you get your edge right there. You don't need much, even though 50%, right? No one knows for sure. Very random. But at least we size right, then we have a chance to win in the long run. All right, let's save this. So basically today is February 12, 2024, Monday, and this one is a real breakout long setup. And the time as 10. Yeah, 10. Yep. Okay, so the reason why we kept surprised because on Friday, it already rally, right? We thought Monday gonna be consolidated a little bit, and tomorrow, the day of release, it's gonna make the major move. But surprising us, it make a giant move today. So it set up sell-side liquidity, and boom, it dropped all the sell-side liquidity. Beautiful setup right there. Okay, so look at the other setup that we identified during the trading intraday today. Let's take a look at the screenshot we have. All right. By the way, this morning we watched two stock, right? A SPY and Nvidia. The reason why we try to look at Nvidia because recently Nvidia is like explosion. So we watched them to see if there will be a pullback. And it did today, man. And we didn't take the trade because we're not prepared for Monday. So we kept, lay back a little bit, not really aggressive. And opportunities show up really beautifully. You see that? We identify breakout right there, and as soon as breakout, we see a rejection. And we see, a little bit, it's not really dozy, right? It will be better if we have a dozy right here. But anyway, it's a wonderful setup right here. So we can open just right above that level a little bit, and then it go up. We can put a buy stop right there. A sell stop, right? Short your stop, and you aim for this level. So you have 1, 2, 3 ratio right there. Actually, 1 to 2. And look at that, right? We enter at 11:45. And what is this one? Yeah, just so this one is 12:20. That's 12:20. Oh yeah, that's the same screenshot, but this one gave us a more information, right? More information. The 45, yeah, 45. So entry time right here. Hold on. No, this is the SPY. The same idea with Nvidia, but this Nvidia. Yeah, 11:45. And amazingly, at 30 minutes later, right, it hit our target right there. 30 minutes later, at 12. Right, we entered at 11:45, and it hit the target at 12:55. So, presumably we get out of trade. However, but if we stay in the trade, look at the Nvidia for today. Right here, Nvidia. You see, if we stay in the trade, look at a giant move. So it hit our target right here, but if we let it move, wow. You see the giant move. So basically, we will have, I think we need to take a screenshot of that also. Yeah, a signal. So let's say right here we go in, right? And we'll let it run all the way here. Look at that, $20, $29. Can you believe that? Can we believe that? $29 move. Man, so the NVIDIA is very volatile. Yeah, NVIDIA and Tesla, lots of people love to trade those two stocks because it moves a lot. The whole idea right there. So if we go in right here, right, we put stop loss right here, right. That's our initial stop loss, right? 44, 41. Right. In the screenshot we put 44, right? Let's go 44. Okay, roll there. So from wow, 10. Let's go with 10 right there. 1 to 10. From 1 to 2, we'll let it run all the way to 1 to 10. Man, that's amazing. Trade there. Yeah, at first we just target right here, but it turned out to be a giant trade right there. That's why we never know that, you know, the idea of let your profit run is so true in this case. Let your winner run. That's the idea. In the real time when we're recording, we feel a little bit discomfort right here. We thought, oh man, in the real time, this big, huge upload candle. We realized a little bit nervous. We say, oh, let's move stop loss to break even or trail stop loss. If we did so, we may kick out a trade and mix the giant move right here. So we have to stay in the trade, right? We already set our stop loss and want to see it through. Let the window run. Yep. But the idea that maybe the more reasonable will be sell liquidity right here. So it will be a better target for us if the sell liquidity already are low. Right, at this, there we have 1 to 9 ritual ratio right there. So we have $20.58 divided by $2.45. Yeah, 1 to 8 ritual ratio right there. The auto. So entry just right here. But that means we are trading again the DR. Right here we thought gonna be a full breakout, right? It's gonna be, pull back and then go hit one standard deviation right there for DR. So if we short right here, we go again DR. That's the dilemma. We have to make decision right there. So we go to NDR. Just aware of that. So sometimes, we base on too many systems, it will be very confusing and complex, signal right there, right? And actually today, Monday, there's nothing news come out, but the markets move crazily right there. But really is a good risk, right? You only risk 1 and you get AR right there. It's worth the risk. And you see that, you can create a gap and retest the gap. And boom. When it retests this gap, it don't even hit the breakout level. That means it's very bearish right there. So if the entry right here, right, before breakout, or if we late, we go in with this 55, 11, 45, 55 right there. Yeah, when the breakout level, it break through with a gap, that's gonna give us some strong idea that it's gonna break. But in this case, it's not gonna hold. So that's the reason why it's a 4 breakout right there. And this signal tell you it's gonna go down. And here's another entry right there at 10:55, 11:55. Okay, let's wrap it up right here. 11:55. So right here, what we have, and you see that right here, it fill the gap, right, and it rate the sell side, and boom, it go, and then it rate the buy side, create a 4 breakout right there. So it's a perfect setup. And this one is so it's a 4 breakout short setup, and the sell stop is at 742 right there, and entry time is 11:45 or 11:55 right there. Two entry for us right there. And the ratio is 1:8. And we say the target rate is the DR low. It's a sell grid right there. Yep. So what you call this? Yeah, FBO short setup right there. So it's February 2024, Monday, and 4 breakout short setup. Yeah, the reason why we feel a little bit hard to pull the trigger because we saw the markets it go up crazy. Then we thought, wow, it's not good to short them, right? But because we get cut, we get roll over last time, so we got scared. That's the reason why we have to so-called disassociate from one trade to another. Otherwise, we cannot pull the trigger because the emotion impact from the last trade. So entry time for this is 11:45. All right, I think we reached our 30-minute time mark. So actually we go over 5 minutes. Anyway, before we leaving to look at the 1 hour time frame, it did give us a short signal beautiful short signal on the SPY. Look at this, right? You see the breakout level right here, it break out, and the second breakout is breakout. And it give the huge gap right here, it break out. And then we see the doji. The doji is the inside bar of this candle. So the best strategy is that we're gonna put in a sell stop right here at the open of this, doji bar, and stop loss above there. So when it will carry it to the short trade right there. As soon as we see the breakout and we see huge giant candle and followed by a doji, and around the 13 hour, the PM trading session, then going and short them. If this happen like around 10 or 11, don't do that. But if it happen around after lunchtime and start the 5 p.m. Start the PM trading session, then it's a good, just remember it. Yeah. All right. Thank you for your time and interest. We are always grateful, and we love what we're doing. The success coming your way. Bye for now. Have a wonderful evening.